stay, won't you? Don't you dare come at me. You stay. Nice birdie. No! Stay! Please stay. Please. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god, get away from me now! Hi, Bruno. Now that you're on the ground, I'm not so scared of you. Okay, okay. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 ah! Oh, man. I really don't like that bird. Oh.
Look at it.
Birdo, come here. Where's he at?
I don't know.
Are you still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, he's coming.
Oh.
He is coming. Oh, I don't like this bird.
Could we just like leave?
No, because he'll follow us.
Can you let it starve? It's fine.
No, I want it to be fed and happy. But I don't want
Its food's right in front of its beak if it's too stupid to pick it up.
It's a cool bird. Please stay, birdie. Do not come after me.